White, you going crazy.
Is this all
Troubles in 96. Let it be known, nigga, the boss of all bosses, Machiavelli. Hey, I had to, cause I had to. Hey, cause I had to. A nigga gotta pay the fucking rent. Crazy, I gotta work with what you gave me, claiming I'm a criminal when you the one that made me. They got me trapped in this slavery. Now I'm lost in this Holocaust, heading for my grave, G. I told Sam he could fuck the war and got a busted jaw for saying fuck the law. And if you wonder why I'm mad, check the record. What's a nigga gotta do to get respected? Sometimes I think I'm getting tested, and if I don't say yes, a nigga's quick to get arrested. That's the reason I stay tested. I keep a vest on my chest in case the cops are getting restless. Walking around ready to light shit up, and since my life is fucked, some say I'm slightly nuts. Buck is the sound as I move. Other niggas pay attention when the fool butts. They make a nigga be a killer. I used to be a dealer, but they wanted to see who's realer. Now them same motherfuckers wanna murder me. Hey, and no one did the Lord ever heard of me. I need loot, so I'm doing what I do. And don't say shit until you walked in my shoes. There was no other destiny to choose. I had nothing left to lose. Was singing nigga blues, just slang crack. Why I just slang crack? Why I just slang crack? Hey, a nigga gotta pay the fucking rent. Pop and eat brand new shoes, but what the fuck can a nigga do? My little boy gotta eat too, so why must I suck a fella? Just to live large like Rockefeller. And did you ever stop to think I'm old enough to go to war, but I ain't old enough to drink? Cops wanna hit me with the book, and you're hooked on my I don't give a fuck look. Make your rules, I'ma break them. No matter how much you make them. You show me bacon, I'ma take them. So don't you ever tempt me. I'm a fool for my nigga and my pocket stay empty. To my brothers in the barrio, you're living worse than the niggas in the ghetto, so I give a fuck about your language or complexion. You got love from the niggas in my section. You got problems with the punk police. Don't run from the chump, get the punk from me. We ain't free, I'll be damned if I played a trick for a blonde haired, blue eyed Caucasian bitch. Cause I had to. Cause I had to, motherfucking pen. Cause I had to. Cause I had to. Cause I had to. Now I'm heading for the motherfucking pen. Cause I had to. Hey, now I'm heading for the motherfucking pen. Down with my homeboy Rich. Fuck a snitch and a groupie ass bitch. And a nigga with the cellular phone. Leave his baby at home so he can go out and bone. And you wonder why we blazing niggas? Cause you punks having babies can't raise the niggas. And they bound to be fuck ups too. Drinking 40s of brew. Singing nigga blues.
You going crazy.
Now I'm heading for the motherfucking pen.
Is this all?